flood emergency looms over Jakarta and all of its residents. According to the Jakarta Environmental Management Board, the pollution level in Ciliwung River is far higher than normal. 80% of the pollution comes from households, while the remaining is industrial waste. In 2008, the agency recorded that the groundwater around the Ciliwung River banks was over 90% contaminated by E. coli. The condition continues to worsen with every tick of the clock. Every day, ignorant residents dump thousands of kilograms of waste into the river, contaminating it from its source to its mouth. Every day, the level of sedimentation rises closer and closer to the surface of the water. The public's careless behavior and the buildings along the river banks have put the environment at risk. Jakarta administration has tried its best to reduce the river sedimentation level to prevent the river from overflowing. In 2007, 4 agencies joined hands to dredge rivers and reservoirs throughout the city. The dredging project, which covers 10 rivers and 4 reservoirs, is better known as JEDI, Jakarta Emergency Dredging Initiative.
Jakarta Emergency Dredging Initiative atau disingkat JEDI merupakan proyek yang diprakarsai oleh beberapa lembaga di Jakarta. Tujuan dari dilaksanakannya proyek JEDI ini sendiri adalah untuk menanggulangi permasalahan banjir yang terdapat di Jakarta. JEDI sendiri terbagi menjadi 8 paket pekerjaan yang dimiliki oleh beberapa lembaga yang berbeda. Salah satu proyek JEDI yang sedang berlangsung adalah JEDI paket 6 yang dikerjakan oleh Balai Besar Wilayah Sungai Ciliwung Cisadane dengan kontraktor pelaksana PT PP Persero Tbk.
JEDI Packet 6 project includes dredging and installing sheet piles at the West Flood Canal and Upper Sunter Floodway. The West Flood Canal encompasses the Tanah Abang and Gambir districts of Central Jakarta, Palmerah, Petamburan, and Tambora districts in West Jakarta, and Penjaringan district in North Jakarta. The project stretches 12 kilometers long from Karet Water Gate to Muara Angke. The Upper Sunter Floodway is in Pulau Gadung district, reaching 5 kilometers long from Bekasi Timuraya Street to Perintis Kemerdekaan Street. The total value of the project is approximately $56 million. More than 177 trillion rupiah has been allocated for the project from the state budget or APBN 2017-2018. PT PP Persero Tbk has carried out the JEDI Packet 6 project using 2 different methods, namely dredging and embankment.
Pekerjaan dredging adalah pekerjaan pengerukan sungai, di mana untuk melancarkan aliran sungai dari hambatan sedimentasi dan sampah, di mana lumpurnya nanti akan kita buang ke CDF Ancol sebagai pembuangan terakhir.
In order to eradicate sedimentation at the bottom of the Ciliwung River, PT PP Persero Tbk used excavators on pontoons, amphibious excavators, cutter suction dredgers, pontoon, and fishing boats. Waste and mud lifted from the river were dumped along the river banks to dry. After the sedimentation material dried up, dump trucks took them to Ancol Confined Disposal Facility or CDF at night. At the Ancol CDF, the sedimentation material was spread along the shore. Meanwhile, the embankment method focused on protecting the river walls to prevent erosion.
Pekerjaan embankment adalah pekerjaan untuk penguat tebing, di mana tujuannya supaya tebing tidak terjadi longsor. Pertama kita lakukan untuk pemancangan mini pile. Pemancangan mini pile, setelah pemancangan mini pile kita potong leveling sesuai dengan elevasi yang kita butuhkan. Setelah selesai pemotongan kita pasang cor clumping beam. Setelah selesai pengecoran clumping beam kita pasang batu di atasnya.
In both dredging the rivers and installing the embankments, PT PP Persero Tbk ensures that all of its workers are following its standard operating procedures, which are aimed at ensuring everyone's safety and to realize the zero accident goal.
Semangat pagi! Seperti biasa, tiap pagi kita mengingatkan masalah prosedur pekerjaan, yang terutama masalah keselamatan dalam bekerja, yaitu pakai APD. Yang kedua, masalah bekerja dalam lingkungan, yaitu jaga etika. Yang ketiga, masalah mutu dan kualitas pekerjaan. Siap, Pak? Siap. Sebelum briefing selesai, sebelum mulai pekerjaan, kita berdoa. Doa mulai. Berdoa selesai. Setipas. Yes. Setipas. Yes. Insiden. No.
However, some obstacles remain during the execution of the Jadi Paket 6 project. Conflict with local residents occurred at the dredging site in Muara Angke.
Pekerjaan dredging di wilayah banjir Kanal Barat, khususnya wilayah Muara Angke, belum bisa dikerjakan karena beberapa masalah sosial yang terjadi di sini. Penolakan warga dan juga beberapa kelompok nelayan yang menganggap tempat ini adalah sumber mata pencaharian mereka dan juga sebagai tempat parkir-parkir kapal di sisi-sisi sungai. Maka dari itu, perlu adanya pengkajian ulang di sini untuk melakukan pekerjaan dredging.
Most Muara Angke residents are fishermen. They believed that the dredging project would affect their livelihoods. They felt disturbed by the presence of the project's heavy equipment amid their fishing boats and dense residential areas. They also claimed that the dredging project was too risky in terms of quality, time, and cost. Quality-wise, they believed that the project could not be completed according to the design. Time-wise, they believed that the project would take too much time to complete. And cost-wise, they believed that the project would exceed the allocated budget. However, PT PP Persero Tbk adjusted their plan. Based on careful analysis and risk evaluation, PT PP Persero Tbk issued an addendum to decrease their work. The change of plan was approved by all stakeholders after conducting stream simulation along the West Flood Canal and examining the Land Acquisition and Resettlement Action Plan or LARAP report.
Secara kontraktual, pekerjaan JEDI paket 6 terbagi di dua lokasi, yaitu di Sungai Upper Sunter dan di Sungai Banjir Kanal Barat. Sungai Upper Sunter memiliki panjang 5,15 km, sedangkan di Banjir Kanal Barat 12,7 km. Dari 12,7 km tersebut, 2 sampai 2,5 km terletak di lokasi Muara Angke. Muara Angke sendiri merupakan lokasi pusat perekonomian nelayan di sekitar Muara Angke. Banyak bangunan nelayan yang menjorok ke sungai di wilayah Muara Angke. Dredging dilakukan di Muara Angke, maka akan beresiko baik secara mutu, waktu maupun biaya. Pengurangan pekerjaan sendiri dapat dilakukan jika kita dapat melakukan adendum atau amandemen pekerjaan. Kita lakukan dengan usaha antara lain, yaitu 1. Melakukan sosialisasi pekerjaan, simulasi aliran di sepanjang Sungai Banjir Kanal Barat dengan catatan pekerjaan dredging di Muara Angke tidak dilaksanakan.
As expected, the JEDI Packet 6 project construction has resulted in significant improvement. Ciliwung River is flowing better and the water is cleaner. The cleanliness and flood control has also generated positive vibes for the local residents along the river banks. The Ciliwung River banks area have transformed into unique tourism sites that everybody can enjoy. All the sweat shed by the entire team's hard work has paid off. The team's creative ideas and professionalism have made Jakarta into a better city to live in. Good job, JEDI team!
Tim JEDI 6 adalah tim yang dibentuk berdasarkan PPBIT yang diisi mayoritas anak-anak muda dan dikolaborasikan dengan pengalaman senior. Bermimpi, berimajinasi, berkarya dalam passion. JEDI 6 juara!
pasti bisa.